If you see a smoky gray shadow melt across a cliff face, don't scroll. You're not looking at a mountain lion. You're looking at a stealth bomber in a fur coat.
Bro, what kind of cat comes with built-in snowshoes, a built-in scarf, and treats a 200-foot fall like a shortcut?
This is the Snow Leopard. Each paw is nearly twice the size of a normal cat's. Engineered like snowplates to float over deep mountain powder. That massive tail, not decoration. It's a weighted stabilizer mid-leap. And at night, they wrap it around their face like a thermal mask to survive minus 40-degree winds. And here's the part most people don't expect. The ghost of the Himalayas can't roar. They chuff, they growl, they release a high-pitched yowl that sounds like the wind glitching through stone. They don't just live in the mountains, they are the mountains, majestic or terrifying.